Welcome to the program Getting Ready for Group Discussion the M.M. Patel Way. In this session, we will discuss briefly the contents of the total learning material. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos. The learning material consists of the following 5 videos. 1. Qualities an assessor shall look for. In this part we will discuss the qualities which will be assessed. We will also briefly define the qualities and discuss how to project those qualities. 2. Stages of a group discussion session. This understanding is very important. A reason, in every part of the group discussion, you need to project your qualities. And to project personal qualities, it is better to understand the intricacies of each stage. 3. Indicative behaviors at various stages and situation of a group discussion session. This part is the most important part. I would suggest you go to this part very critically and repeatedly. In this part, you will come to know what are the behaviors which you need to make in each stage or every situation. For an example, the stage could be starting of the group discussion session. The situation could be interrupting a person who is speaking. The situation could be bringing back the group discussion to track. This part is supported by actual examples of effective as well as ineffective behaviors. 4. Types of group discussion sessions. In this part we will understand various types of group discussion sessions. We will also discuss in detail how to behave in each type so that personal qualities are projected properly. Number 5. Behaviors to project your qualities. In this part, we will go through a list of behaviors for each qualities. This part will help you to assess yourself for each of the qualities. This part will also help you to identify your areas of development and at the same time your areas of strength. You may build on your personal strengths and you may work on your development areas. The graduate and postgraduate students and the professionals going for competitive selection will find the material very useful. The contents are very practical. The contents would make the students prepare and perform well in any group discussion situations. Even they will be guided to plan improvement of their professional skills as well. If you want to understand the process of group discussion and leadership and personal skills, I would recommend you a beautiful Hindi movie. The movie is Ek Ruka Hua Faisla. I repeat, Ek Ruka Hua Faisla. This is a 2-hour feature film. If you critically see the movie for 2 hours, you will understand the process of group discussion with reference to leadership, team working, and most important point, contributing in a group discussion session. If you don't see Hindi movies and see English movie, you can see 12 Angry Men. Ek Ruka Hua Faisla and 12 Angry Men are based on same theme. The duration of 12 Angry Men would be about 1 hour 15 minutes. I would suggest you see the movie twice, immediately after going through this part of group discussion. And you can repeat the movie once you have gone through the complete material. After seeing the movie, you can even evaluate yourself by comparing the best personality which you will be seeing in the movie. That comparison and self-evaluation will help you in identifying areas of your development. Thank you and all the best. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on getting ready for group discussion the M.M. Patel way.